Hi, and welcome back to another Adventure Motorhomes tour. Today we're going to be touring a Winnebago Sunstar 2023. I'm so excited to show you all this unit. Let's go! There's a lot of great things about this RV, but my three favorite things are, oh, and hi, Wally. He clearly loves this Winnebago. The first is the amount of sleeping space. The second is just that Winnebago style. And the third is the outdoor and exterior features. Okay, and just one more because I have to mention the price. Due to our higher inventory, the bank says this one's gotta go, so it's marked as the lowest 2023 Sunstar you will find anywhere. I searched and it's the lowest one out there. Now let's jump into the exterior features. This unit comes with the ultimate tailgate and hosting package. It's football season and Jesus take the wheel for that Clemson against Georgia game last weekend, and it's time to host all your friends and family. With outdoor speakers and HD TV, an outdoor kitchen with sink, and even a ladder on the back for roof access, and a giant power awning for shade for the sunny days, and LED lights for the nighttime. Now let's get a closer look at that outdoor kitchen. There's a great size fridge for all the drinks and food, and plenty of storage space. There's a sink and even a mounted bottle opener, plus a paper towel holder. They thought of it all, y'all. My second favorite part is the amount of sleeping space. The dinette booths turn into sleeping space along with the couch. And if you've ever wondered how RVs can fit so many people sleeping, here's a not so secret trick, the power loft that you can bring down. Of course, in the primary area, there is tons of storage with a two-side closet with hanging spaces. And the important part, a king-size bed. Another thing I love about this primary area is the thoughtful extra space for electronics and storage beside the bed for all the extra books and things you need close. Finally, there's the Winnebago design, colors, look, and feel. They are known as one of the most recognizable RV brands for a reason. We know their design and looks are classic and don't go out of style. I mean, look at this beauty. Thanks for joining. If you want to see more RVs from me, subscribe to the Adventure Motorhomes YouTube channel.